what's going on, guys? Welcome back. So today we had the final review video on the 09 Dodge Challenger by AMT curbside kit. So I didn't do any update videos on it because, well, it was such a simple kit and it wasn't really need to, because it's, again, simplified, and I don't want to waste your time with a video, like a 2-minute video that just basically shows the interior. So I went ahead and just built the thing. As you know, it didn't take me very long. It really took me a little over a week just to build this, because like I said, it's a curbside, no chassis detail. The interior is very simplified, so there's not really much of an interior to show. So let's go ahead and show you how this turned out and what I did to it, and then we'll pipe up this video and stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll have a slideshow of it in a photo booth, and then go to my other channel if you want to see, the full slideshow of it being built from the ground up. So, alright, so this is the curbside kit I was talking about. If you saw my last video, or the video I was talking about, our curbside kit's worth it. I'll put a link right there. This is a curbside, and as you see, it looks fantastic. No engine, like I said. Chassis details very minimum, but overall, the whole outside of the car, it just looks stunning. A lot of people commented and said curbside kits are also amazing. I did see some comments, and people made it. A lot of people over there made a lot of sense. Like, a few people said, "Well, what's the point of a engine? Because it's gonna sit in a case, or it's gonna sit on the shelf, whatever you just put your models on." And that's totally true. So you can definitely make a very decent model of a curbside, and that's what this is. So it's very cool. So don't be disappointed if this curbside kit, and don't be embarrassed if it's a curbside kit, because curbside kits, sometimes you have no choice, because sometimes you have a car you like or you want to build and it doesn't have the engine. It's only a curbside kit. So don't be embarrassed. It's doesn't matter if it's an engine or not. It's still an awesome model. So alright, so let's go ahead and show you what we did to it. So the whole outside, the body color is Splash Paint's Destroyer Gray. A very cool color. Very mean looking, or very mean color. Destroyer Gray. But it's a very cool color from Splash Paints. It's actually a Dodge color. So I love it. I love how it looks. The black is actually custom made. I made that. I masked body off and made it black stripe, because I love how those Dodge Challengers have those strips on the side. So they look very cool. It's not a decal. I custom made that. So like I said, curbside kit's amazing. Go with an awesome paint job and go crazy with a paint job. Make your own custom, stripes like I did here. So you can go all out. There's black under here like it's supposed to, and then there's black on the back bumper like it's supposed to. The splitter here is carbon fiber, so that looks very, very cool. The grill black and all that stuff, so it looks very cool. I love how that black strip looks. It looks fantastic. The RT emblem is from the kit. One thing I gotta say, if you had this kit in your stash or plan on getting it, which I don't blame you, it's a very awesome car and very cool kit. Simplified. The decals in this kit are trash. I'm just gonna put that one now. They're made of like really wrinkly paper, so they're really, you can't really bend them too well unless you use like a whole gallon of marker saw. So I tried pulling one of these off, which I came with 2 of these RT emblems. I kind of broke one because I picked it up from the backing paper with a tweezer, and the tweezer kind of poked through and it broke it. So be very careful with decals. The gauge decals, they don't go into the actual gauge cluster because you'll break them. So they're kind of hanging out there, but they're in there. The dashboard decal is, so be very careful. That kind of explains why they included 2 sets of gauge decals, which I used both of them because the first gauge decals I broke, so I used the second pair. And just 2 screen emblems, which the first one went perfect. Those are to get the dash decals for the radio and stuff here, and there's 2 mirror decals. So that explains why there's 2 versions of decals. So decal sheet because the decals are garbage. But besides that, looks fantastic. Yeah, just besides that, decals are just weird. The wheels are stripped and painting them like I'm not sure what color it's called. I put it, it's a dupe color. So I thought it was pretty cool. So I went ahead and painted it. And I just, besides black. So I was thinking doing black, but I didn't want to do black wheels. The spoiler over here is carbon fiber. We did all that carbon fiber. Like I said, carbon fiber decals really make a curbside kit or any kit stand out. And the whole, spoiler and splitter carbon fiber looks fantastic. The rear window is tinted, which I did make a decent how-to video, so I'm gonna get that edited and probably post it later this week or next week. So stay tuned for that. I think I made a decent video for that. So yeah, the whole back window is all tinted. It looks fantastic. I love how that term worked out. The only thing left is the interior. The interior is pretty simplified. It's all black. Seats are made of like a vinyl rubber, like the same stuff as the tires, but it's very hard vinyl. So I had an experience with that painting them before, and the paint does not like it. So I just left it as they are, which doesn't bother me because they look fantastic. They kind of look like leather because there's a little shine to it. And most of these Dodge Challenger, the 09 Dodge Challenger interiors are black anyway, so it didn't bother me. So I painted the dashboard and steering wheel, all that stuff. The door panel is all semi-gloss black, and then the door panels has carbon fiber on it, and so there's the dashboard where the radio is. That's all carbon fiber also. So yeah, very cool interior. I had some seat belts, spice it up a little bit. I did do the decals on the seats, which they look shiny on the pictures you're probably looking at right now, but it's because they're sitting in the whole bucket of Marco sauce. But they are dull and they look fantastic in the seats right now. So very cool. The whole back, tail light is all tinted to me smoke, or to me clear lead. That's what the glass parts are, smoke. But other than that, fantastic car. I love how this turned out. Like I said, don't be embarrassed to build a curbside kit because they are a lot of fun. Like I said, if you want to do like a super simple, easy kit, get your mind off a very complicated build, or if you just want to take it easy, build a curbside kit. It's really smooth. I'll tell you that. It's very fun. This only took me a little over a week to do. You can definitely do this in like 48-hour build. There's, but it took me over a week, and so I took my time with it. The carbon fiber and the stripe on the side, and the gloss really turns out perfect. I wet sanded it and buffed it out to make it shine even better. But overall, fantastic build. So, like I said, guys, go out, pick a curbside kit, build it, see how you like it, because you won't be disappointed. I know the chassis detail is very limited, but other than that, the whole kit just looks fantastic from the outside. And like I said, it's gonna fit in display case, like you guys said, and it's just gonna sit there on the shelf whenever you just put your models on, and it's gonna look fantastic any other way. But that will be it for this video. I'll catch you guys on my next video. Like I said, go to my other channel to see the full size show, and stay tuned to the end of this video to see the photos in the photo booth. But until my next video, guys, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.